Hi, welcome to APMIS Health Record video. In this video, we will look at patient registration. Click on Health Record, and then you have your registration menu. Click on Registration menu, you have registration. And then here I have financial information. The financial information takes care of patient payment category. Here I have self, I have company cover. This take care of retainership. I have health insurance scheme, which take care of HMO, and I have family for family registration. Under self I have standard and premium. This has to do with if you have different self-paying patient categories. So for this demo, I have standard and premium, and other categories are I have a company cover, and this has to do with retainership. Okay, let me quickly go into company cover. Under company cover, you can select if the person to register is the principal or the dependent. I have a question here: are you a dependent? If yes, so by default it takes yes for you, and if the person is if the person is the principal, you click on no, and here you can select the complaint. Let's say it's PZ, and then you have plan in here. Now for a particular complaint, you can have maybe different plans for a particular company. For instance, they can have a plan for the senior staff, and then for the junior staff, which means that maybe people within the senior staff category can enjoy some certain benefit than the staff in junior category might not be able to enjoy. But for this particular complaint, I only have just one plan that is called silver. Okay, so let's quickly look at okay, so for HMO, I have are you a dependent? If the person is the dependent, just come in here and search for the principal, or you enter in the insurance code here, and then automatically the system will bring the name out for you. So by default, this will be loaded, and then you pick the relationship, and then you enter the insurance number for the dependent. If this person is the principal, you come in here, you select the HMO, if it's Zenith or maybe IGER, and then you come in here to pick the policy. And then once you pick in the policy, and then you come to the insurance to type in the insurance number. And then for family registration, you come in okay, this for family registration. Under family registration, if the person is the dependent or the principal, and then the payment category for that particular family. So for family registration, you can have more than one category. And if the person is the what's called the principal, just okay, this for principal, and then you search. And then let me quickly say this: before you can register any family from registration, you need to come to family registration to have what is called a pre-registration for the family. Here we have, are you a dependent, or the person is the principal, so you fill all this information, the title and everything. So whatever name, the family you've created here, you come in here to come and attach that particular family to this person you're registering. So if let me search, I think I have one family registered here. Okay, click on enter. So I have this family, so which means that I can click on this. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is that you can search for a particular family, and then once the family has been pre-registered, before you come to basic biodata, and then start creating that particular person as a patient. So let me go back to self-paying patient. So I have self, and then let me pick standard, and then I come to basic biodata. Still loading for me. This for the family I'm trying to create the other time. So let me just clean this up. Let me go back to my financial. Okay, so I have a self. All right, so the name, let's say, is simple. That's the first name, and I have the last name to be Dania, and the gender is a male. Oh, it's telling me there's someone here by the name Simple Dania. The middle name is Endurance. Okay, there's a match database. Click on OK to load the patient information, or cancel to continue. Okay, let's say this person's middle name is Okpe. All right. Okay, the educational level, I don't know. Marital status, let's say single, and the date of birth. Okay, 1970, June 17. Okay, registration identification. And then here let me say is okay, let me just use this Daniel 101. And then here let me quickly say this. The system is also configured in such a way that it can auto generate a registration number. So if you want the system to automatically generate this number, you don't have to put anything in here. So automatically the system will generate the registration number. Okay, so if I need to include the contact, just check whatever thing you want the system to be able to capture. So depending on what you want system to capture. Okay, this is the contact details, and I have this is next of kin, and then this is background information. So I can come in here, let's say let me just put in Lagos and state, that's Lagos. And then I have list of local government in here. Let's say is Lagos mainland. The phone number is 080 34235678. And then if I have the email, I can put the email, the office address if I know. If I don't, like, let me just type in Lagos in here. And then the next of kin information, I can as well come in here, pick doctor. Okay, so name is Dania. Okay, so okay, let me make it uniform. All right, sex, that's male. Relationship, that's okay, that's the father. Okay, the phone number, if I have the phone number, I put in here, and then I put in the address. Let's say Lagos. Okay, let me just put this phone number: 08255165772. And then the state and the local government. If I have that, I can put information in there. If I don't have, so if I want to put in background information, I can as well come in here to put the background information if I have. So I can fill the nationality, state, local government, ethnicity, religion, and then denomination and other stuff, identification, mode of identification. So once I'm through with this, I click on save all. Patient record checked successfully. Thank you. We've come to the end of this video.